Ciao a tutti e bentornati sul mio canale. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see present indicative tense in Italian. So let's start. To indicate an action or state of being that is taking place at the present time or at the moment. For example, parlo a Maria. I am speaking to Maria at this moment. Or guardo la TV. I am watching TV at this moment. So I am talking about the present time, so I will use the present tense, il presente dell'indicativo. Also to indicate an action or state of being that is permanent or continuous. For example, parlo italiano. I speak Italian. Mangio solo la verdura. I eat only vegetables. Also to emphasize something at the present time. Sì, capisco. Yes, I do understand. Here I am at the present time, so I will use present simple tense in Italian. Sì, capisco. Or no, non parlo bene. No, I do not speak well. Also to indicate an habitual action. For example, vado al cinema ogni settimana. I go to cinema every week. To convey a general truth, we use present tense. For example, 2 più 2 fa 4. 2 plus 2 makes 4. So these are the rules to make a present simple tense in Italian. But we will also see how to conjugate a present simple tense. So, in Italian, there's a concept known as conjugation, unlikely in English. Verbs in English are not conjugated because we use subjects. But in Italian, we do not use subject. We will see how we have to make conjugation of these verbs. Italian regular verbs conjugate according to the subject, that is I, you, we, they, and etc. And the verb tenses and also the verb group. You have to conjugate according to the verb group, that is are, ere, or ire. We will see here. But first we have to see how to say I in Italian. Io. The first person singular. For I, we use io. For you, second person singular, we use tu. And the third person singular, that is he, she, or it, we use for he, lui, and for she, lei. Noi means we. Voi means you, the second person plural. And loro means they. So io, I, tu, you, lui, he, lei, she, noi, we, voi, you, e loro means they. Now we will see Italian verbs. Italian verbs can be divided into 3 groups. According to the infinitive forms, into 3 groups. For example, are, ere, or ire. You have to conjugate them according to the ending of these verbs. Are, ere, or ire. We will see here. We have some examples here. The verb ending in are. For example, pensare, cucinare, imparare. Pensare means to think. Cucinare means to cook. Imparare, to learn. The verbs ending in ere. Leggere means to read. Scrivere means to write. Ripetere means to repeat. And the verbs ending in ire. Dormire means to sleep. Aprire means to open. Sentire means to listen or to feel. The simplest way to conjugate Italian verbs is to identify the verb's infinitive form, the base form of the verb, and then add the appropriate ending to its. To conjugate any verb in Italian, you need to add different ending to the stem of the verb. And to get the stem of the verb, you need to remove the last three letters of the infinitive of regular verb. For example, the stem of the verb parlare is par. So we got the stem by removing the last three letters are, and we will conjugate them with that. Io parlo, tu parli, lui parla, noi parliamo, voi parlate, loro parlano. The same thing we will do with the verb leggere. And the second verb is leggere, to read. Io leggo. Here we will not pronounce leggio, so pay attention. Io leggo, tu leggi, lui legge, noi leggiamo, voi leggete, loro leggono. And the third verb is dormire, means to sleep. And the verb ending with ire. Io dormo. Io means I. Dormo means to sleep. I sleep. Tu dormi. You sleep. Lui dorme. Noi dormiamo. Voi dormite. Loro dormono. Next, we will also see some verbs related to the verb are, ere, and ire. Abitare means to live. Amare means to love. Ascoltare, to listen. Camminare, to walk. Cantare, to sing. Giocare, to play. Guardare, to watch. Next we have the verb ending with ere. Credere, to believe. Procedere, to proceed. Ricevere, to receive. Bollire, vestire, sentire, partire. To boil, to dress, to hear, and to leave. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.